guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my week 10 pregnancy update.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Okay, baby is the size of a strawberry, and it can now make fists. Pretty exciting. Okay, so week 8 was terrible. Week 9 last week was a lot better. I thought, it was going uphill from there. I am sad to report that week 10 was the worst week that I've had so far, and hopefully the worst week from here on out. It wasn't good, and I'm so blessed and thankful and happy, but it was an awful week. So I don't want to sugarcoat it. It was kind of everything. I'll start with tired and fatigue and no motivation. I work full time, so I try to do my best there. I feel like I'm doing a mediocre job there, and I expend a lot of energy, and when I get home, I feel like I have nothing left to give James or my husband, let alone YouTube. So YouTube is slacking, like really bad. Instagram, I don't want to do it. So I'm hoping that the motivation comes back. And I'm just like feeling lazy and kind of down on myself. And then I'm kind of nauseous 24/7, mildly, and I would say I'm actually getting sick 3 to 4 times a day. So not fun. We went on a boat ride this weekend, which, like, my favorite thing in life is to be on the lake on a boat, and it was super hot out. I think I mentioned a couple videos back that heat and humidity really make things so much worse. And I had fun and I still enjoyed myself, but it was really rough, like just feeling hot and nauseous, and you're on a lake, so the boat's moving. It was tough. So I don't have too much more to say. I don't want to make this huge video about how terrible I feel, but I'm having some body image issues as well. I feel like, I'm so sick and getting sick a lot, but when I'm not sick, I am ravenously hungry, and I only want like carbs and junk food. And I feel like I'm kind of gaining weight more than I should be. And then even putting that aside, like I have a big bump. I don't know if you can see it. I feel like that's pretty intense for 10 weeks, and people at work supposedly don't know. I feel like everyone knows. Like I feel like it's so obvious, and I don't know why I'm feeling bad about it. Like I'm pregnant, so if I'm showing, like who really cares? But I just feel like I am so much bigger than I should be, and I'm kind of feeling, I don't know, a little sorry for myself, a little depressed, a little down. I'm editing videos and I just feel like I look puffy. So I know I shouldn't feel that way, but I do, so I thought I would include it in this depressing week 10 pregnancy update. The good news is I'm so close to the end of the first trimester. I have my next prenatal at week 12, and if all goes well, I'll be able to tell everyone, and then there's no more trying to hide this bump, because it is tough to hide this bump right now. So I'm just keeping that in mind, and I feel like that will make everything better, just to like be out that I'm pregnant. So that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this quick update. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please subscribe if you want to keep in touch. I'm doing these every week, so far, and I'm having fun doing it. I hope to see you again, whatever your plans are today. I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.